Hey beauty lovers! It's great to have you back here at Beautyistic. Have you ever wanted a liquid eyeliner that stays put all day, giving you that bold matte finish without smudging or flaking? Well, let's talk about the theBalm Schwing Liquid Eyeliner, a product that promises to do just that. First things first, this eyeliner comes in a sleek, compact bottle and is designed to deliver a highly pigmented matte black finish. The formula is built to last, ensuring you won't have to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. It's got a precise applicator that makes creating defined, sharp lines a breeze. But the real question is, does it actually live up to the hype? In terms of the formulation, this eyeliner is all about intense color payoff. The rich black pigment provides a strong contrast that can make even the simplest of eye looks pop. It glides smoothly onto the skin, and what I love is how it dries quickly to a perfect matte finish without any shine. No one likes that oily finish on their eyelids, right? It's fantastic for those of you who are looking for a deep, bold line that won't look wet or glossy after application. I've been testing this liquid eyeliner for a while now, and let me tell you, it's one of the most long-wearing eyeliners I've tried in a while. I've worn it through a full day of work, a workout, and even a dinner date, and it stayed exactly where I put it. No smudging, no flaking. Even in warmer conditions, it held up surprisingly well. Now let's talk about that application. The precision tip is really where this product shines. It's fine enough to create thin, delicate lines, but you can also build it up to a thicker, more dramatic winged look. The brush is flexible, making it easy to maneuver around the eye. If you're someone who struggles with getting that sharp cat eye, you're going to appreciate how much control you have with this applicator. But of course, no product is perfect. While the formula is amazing, I did notice that the eyeliner can feel a little drying after it's been on for a while. It doesn't affect its performance, but I did feel like my eyelids were slightly taut after wearing it for an extended period. It's definitely something to keep in mind if you have sensitive skin or if you wear eyeliner for several hours. In terms of value for money, I'd say the theBalm Schwing Liquid Eyeliner is definitely worth it, especially if you're someone who wears eyeliner daily. It's long-lasting, easy to use, and the pigmentation is fantastic. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly too. However, if you're on a budget, or if you prefer a more moisturizing formula, there are other eyeliners out there that might suit your needs a bit more comfortably. When comparing this to other high-end liquid eyeliners, it's right up there in terms of quality, especially in the matte finish category. It offers performance similar to other premium brands, but at a more affordable price point. If you've used eyeliners like the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner or Stila Stay All Day, you'll see some similarities in terms of precision and longevity. As far as build quality goes, the eyeliner's sleek design fits nicely in your hand. The packaging feels sturdy enough, and the wand doesn't get too wobbly, even after extended use. I do appreciate the small size, which is perfect for slipping into your purse for quick touch-ups. theBalm has a strong reputation for customer service, though I haven't had any personal experience with them recently. That said, their products are generally well received, and I'm confident that if you did reach out to them, they'd be helpful. So, what's the final verdict? The theBalm Schwing Liquid Eyeliner is a great option for anyone looking for a precise, long-lasting matte eyeliner. It offers fantastic pigmentation and stays in place without the mess or the maintenance of frequent touch-ups. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or just someone looking for a reliable eyeliner to carry you through your day, this one will definitely give you what you need. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.